Well, hey friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jennifer Allwood again, and I want to talk to you today about how to network using your Instagram DM. So listen, I spend an hour to 2 hours every day in my DMs, both on Instagram and Facebook combined. And the reason I do that is because I think that most business owners are missing such a critical opportunity to connect with their followers. See, in a world where there are thousands of business coaches in the online space, what I know will set me apart from other people is when I try to actually build relationships with my followers rather than just posting content. Like, content's great, but now more than ever, people just want to be seen. They just want to be acknowledged. They just want to be heard. The world is such a busy place. Social media is so crowded that if you can take a few seconds to just respond to your DMs in a thoughtful manner and an intentional manner, in a way that blesses the people on the other side of that DM, man, you can build a follower for life. I'm telling you the truth here. So that's what we're talking about today. If you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, would you mind? While you're here, just hit subscribe, because we're always coming out with new content that's going to help you to grow your business using social media. And also, I want you to watch till the end. It's going to be a short video, but we have a free resource at the end, which is a quiz to help you check your social media IQ. It's handy dandy and really fancy. So anyhow, wait till the end so I can give you that. So the DMs are so important. If people are going to take time to message you, I feel like if we can't take time as the business owner to respond, and I'm not saying to 100% of them, because there's days I get hundreds of DMs, but I am saying that if you can't take time just to spend time daily in your DMs, then you're doing something wrong. I literally have told the Lord before, because I'm a Christian girl who loves the Lord. Like, if I don't have time to connect with people on a one-to-one level anymore, then I probably don't deserve this platform anymore. And I mean that. And I get a lot more DMs, just so you know, on Instagram than I do on Facebook. I have 360,000 followers on Facebook today and 90,000 on Instagram, but I still get probably 4 times as many DMs on Instagram than what I do on Facebook. So make sure you're checking both. By the way, when you're doing Instagram stories, make sure you've changed it in your settings so your Instagram stories go to your Facebook page stories at the same time. Not your Facebook profile, but your Facebook page, your business page. That's super important. So DMs are critical for building lifelong relationships, for really making people feel seen and heard. Don't you know, like, I remember this one time I got the honor of, I was bad grammar. Let me try that again. I remember this one time I had the amazing honor of interviewing Chip and Joanna Gaines in a video. And it was right when they were really starting to go crazy and getting popular. And I was interviewing them on Periscope because Facebook Live wasn't a thing. And I remember how we were sitting in the interview, and I have Chip on one side of me and Joanna on the one side of me. And I remember how she just kind of touched my hair at one point or something. And I just remember thinking, like she was like, I love your hair. So, like, I just remember feeling really seen by her. Does that make sense? Like she wasn't just in there for another interview to further her publicity. Like, she was really engaged in the face-to-face setting that we were in. And when you respond to people in your DMs, that's how they feel. They really feel like they matter, that you really are doing it for more than just more likes and more followers. And so I want you to be intentional. Now, with that being said, there are a couple of things that you can do in your DMs. Number one, I really like it if you respond with a voice recording or a video recording. It blows people away, especially if they've never done it before. So if I go to my DMs right now on the Instagram, let me tell you, I have 19 DMs waiting for me. And so if I open them up, hang on, I'm going to give you a little demonstration. So this lady's like, I posted a picture of something funny, like a mean comment somebody sent me on Instagram. So hang on just a second. I'm going to hold down the voice recorder and respond back to this lady. Hey girl, yeah, I know they can be awful, but you know what? I just don't give a whole lot of attention to it. I just kind of giggle. I responded back to both of them, telling them, you probably could have kept those thoughts to yourself, but other than that, we're just going to keep on keeping on. Thanks, girl. 13 seconds. It was 13 seconds long, and hopefully I just made her day. Another way I like to respond to people when I'm in my DMs is I push the little camera button, and then I just do a little selfie video. And so that's how, whoops, how do you see my selfie? Like that. There you go. Can you see me? There, you can see me now, right? Kind of, sort of. No, you can't. There you go. Okay, so doing a selfie video like this, less than 15 seconds, it blows people away. And if I love GIFs, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if you consider, Christmas or peanut butter, whichever. So I love me a good GIF game. And so I often like to respond in a GIF. If you don't know how to do that, click on somebody's DM, and then you're going to hit the plus sign. Okay. And then it brings up like a square head with a smiley face in it. I like to say it looks like Jimmy Fallon. I don't know why. Have you ever Googled a picture of Jimmy Fallon? He's got a very nice face, but it's very squarish. It's very squarish. So it's like Jimmy Fallon. Click on that. And then you're going to get some GIFs. Down at the bottom will be stickers or say GIFs, and go to the GIF and search for a GIF and respond to somebody with a GIF. Did you know you can also respond to somebody with something called a quick reply? So let's say you're like Jennifer. I love that leopard print shirt. Where did you get it? Well, if I get 50 of those, I don't want to type out every time, hey girl, I got it at this boutique and here's my affiliate link. By the way, if you don't know what an affiliate link is, like, you need to be in my coaching group. Let me just say that. And so it sometimes gets, if it's the same people asking the same question about a product and I'm just needing to give them a canned response, you can go into your Instagram settings, okay? So if you don't know how to get to your Instagram settings, go to your personal Instagram, or your Instagram profile. And then I want you to click on the 3 straight lines up on the top and go to settings. And it's in there that you can hit quick replies. It's under the word business right now. It does sometimes move, so you might have to look for it if it's not under business. So if I go under business, quick reply. Right now I have like this quick reply. It's from Nordstrom's rack, but it's been sold out for a hot minute. Ugh, with a crying face. So a lot of people were asking me about a jacket a while back. They're like, I want that jacket. I want that jacket. So I just typed in the keyword jacket and it auto populates with, it's from Nordstrom's rack, but it's been sold out for a hot minute. Ugh, crying face. Does that make sense? It's a time saver. So if you need something like a time saver, you have the quick replies. Otherwise, give them a voice or a video. They love that. If you're looking to establish relationships with people who have bigger businesses than you, I want you to use the DMs to do that. But I don't want you to send them a voice message or a video. And I'm going to tell you why. Whenever you're dealing with somebody who you're trying to get on their radar, sending them a video or a voice recording, or sending them 10 videos or 10 voice recording, they're not going to watch it, because people can send things that are inappropriate through the DMs. And luckily I've only got that once, but it's shocking when you open up a video and it's something that you shouldn't see and it's X-rated. And so I just want you to know, if you don't already have a relationship with somebody and they have a bigger audience than you, don't send a video, don't send an audio, just type it out. I want you to send the videos and the audios, the funny GIFs, to the people who are responding to your business. But I also want you to use the DMs. The DMs need to be used both ways. It's like a Titus 2 thing. If you're a Bible girl, it needs to go both ways. Put a hand up, put a hand back, put a hand up, put a hand back. So when you're trying to grab a hold of somebody who's bigger than you on social media, use the DMs to do that, to build a relationship with them, to really encourage them through the DMs, to ask them questions, to give them, great feedback on a post or whatever. But I also want you to use the DMs for the people who are following you, who are coming up behind you, and who are watching you. So hopefully that is super duper helpful. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. People are busy. And so when you're responding to people with a bigger audience, or sending something to people with a bigger audience than you, keep it tight, keep it brief and brilliant. And when I respond to people, I do keep it, brief and brilliant also, but I do try to put some heart into it. But just don't expect, if you send 5 video messages for somebody that doesn't know you, to watch them, because it's probably not going to happen. What accounts should you be reaching out to if you're a business owner? Well, if you're trying to use the DMs to really grow your business, think of the people whose radar you most want to get on. Like, think of, I know for a long time I was like, I really would like to be on Chalene Johnson's podcast. And so I would comment on her things in the DMs, not as a manipulative, trying to get her to see me, but I was literally trying to build a relationship with Chalene Johnson. If you don't know who she is, her Instagram following is huge compared to mine. She's an influencer. She's a business person. She's amazing. So for a long time, I reached out to her, and for a long time it was crickets, and that's okay. That's okay, because somebody like Chalene gets so many Instagram DMs a day. There's no way she can keep up. But eventually she commented, and eventually we had a conversation through Instagram DMs. And eventually she wrote a review for Fear is Not the Boss of You book, or not a review, but she was one of the influencers that we sent it to. She wrote an endorsement for it. And so you just never know what's going to happen with the DMs, but I want you to spend some time being really intentional inside of them, because actually taking time to get to know the people who are following you, actually taking time to like see people and hear them and respond to them and love on them, it's kind of a lost art, because people are busy and they're just trying to make the next buck. And when you are like thoughtful enough to stop and actually see them and respond to them, I promise you, you're going to see your business like expand to different sizes that you never even thought possible. I promise you that. So time spent in your DMs is really time well spent. So, all right, I hope you'll start implementing those tips today, my friend. I promise you, if you can follow these 4 things, and perhaps you missed the first 3 videos we had about Instagram. If so, go back and watch those. Subscribe to my channel so that you are able to get all the new videos, and those 3 old videos are on the playlist. So make sure also that you click on the link that's on this video, because it's a social media quiz. It's to see what your social media IQ is. And I want you to be able to know, so you know how much more you need to grow. Because here's the truth. Social media is the thing that's going to grow your business the biggest, the fastest. It's going to make you the most profitable in your business the quickest if you do it right. So hope that this was helpful today. And thanks for being here on the YouTubes. Bless you, my friend. Bye-bye.